Gibson. But it is a unique instrument, and I want to play. I recorded this song. I wrote it originally from John Bios, but I had to record it myself, and I recorded my version on this guitar. I believe in prophecy. Some folks see things not everybody can see. Once in a while to pass secret along to you and me. I believe in miracles. Something sacred burning every bush and tree. We can all learn to sing the songs the angels sing. And I believe in God. God ain't me. I've traveled around the world, stood on mighty mountain, gazed across the wilderness. I ain't never seen a line in the sand or a diamond in the dust. And as our fate unfurls, every day that passes I'm sure about a little bit less. Even my money keeps telling me it's God I need to trust. And I believe in God, but God ain't us. 'Got a little understanding, don't care what name I call. Whether or not I believe doesn't matter at all. I receive the blessings every day on earth, another chance to get it right. Let this little light of mine shine and rage against the night. Just another lesson. Maybe someone's watching and wondering what I got. Maybe this is why I'm here on earth, and maybe not. And I believe in God. God is God. (1944) Martin 0021.